Well guys, another awesome video, and like I told you at the beginning of the year, I'm going to try to rescue this channel, and I'm going to do everything I can to bring you the best content that me and my team are able to capture. So I hope you enjoyed this capture, a whole video without any interruption, and I think we did a good job. Let me know if you liked it, if you think that we did a great job flying, and let us know what other type of boats do you want to see in the future. So for now, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Take care.